Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an easy one-pan bread omelette recipe, ideal as a healthy breakfast in your weight loss journey. To make the bread omelette, I'm using one slice of bread. I'm slicing the bread into half. And I'm going to keep this aside. Into a bowl, I'm adding in one egg. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Add in a splash of water and I'm mixing all this really well with a fork. Adding in half of an onion and one green chili finely chopped. Green chili you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Next I'm adding in half carrot finely chopped. Some fresh spring onion finely chopped. And mix this all really well. I'm heating my cast iron tawa with 1 to 2 teaspoons of wood pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil or even A2 desi ghee. Once the oil is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in the egg mix. Place the bread slice on top and then flip the bread slice over. Sprinkle some spring onion on top of the bread slice. Couple of minutes later, carefully flip it over. Fold in the egg from the sides and then carefully flip it over. And with the spatula, divide it into half. I'm sprinkling in some freshly ground black pepper powder and then fold the bread into half and serve to a plate. Garnish it with some spring onions. And my one pan healthy bread omelette is ready to serve. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.